Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best electric bikes in 2021 you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best electric bikes on AliExpress, have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. X-TRON 14-inch electric bike. Brand name, X-TRON. Model number, D3F. Wheel size, 14-inch. Max speed, 30 km/h. Motor, brushless. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Range per power, 3160 km. Rated passenger capacity, 1 seat. Item, bike, e-bike, pedal-assisted bike. Material, metal. Color, black, red, white. Battery capacity, 36-volt 10Ah lithium battery. Charge time, 5 to 6 hours. Charging voltage, 110-240 volt 50 to 60 Hz. Motor, 250-watt Chinese rear wheel motor. Brake, disc brake. Climbing angle, 15 degree. Max mileage, pure electric 40 plus 3 km. 120 kilograms max loading. Max speed, 20 km/h. Suitable for college students, women, men. This product regular price $998 to $1,098, but now offer price $499 to $549. Keeper&Jim electric mountain bike. Brand name, Keeper&Jim. Model number, RX02. RX02 is a high-end series electric bicycle of the Ride 66 brand. RX02 is made of well-known brand components, including LG cell batteries, Shimano shifting, and Chaoyang fat tires. The quality of the LG battery is excellent and supports up to 900 charging cycles. It takes 5 to 7 hours to fully charge the battery. What's more, we spend a lot of cost on some details. For example, the seamless connection process is applied to the frame connection, which is very beautiful and durable. All that we do is for your safe and comfortable cycling. RX02 has a powerful brushless motor and a powerful 16Ah LG cell battery. It has long battery range, which is up to 75 km under pure electric mode. The maximum speed of the e-bike is approximate 45 km/h, and the climbing ability can reach 35 degrees in normal road conditions. This product regular price $999 to $1,688, but now offer price $799 to $1,350. Meiyatu powerful electric bicycle. Brand name, Meiyatu. Model number, EP2. High-quality aluminum alloy frame. This folding electric bike adopts light yet strong aluminum with anti-corrosion and anti-exposure material. It will serve you for many years. Powerful motor and replaceable battery. With 48-volt 500-watt brushless gear motor, it can easily help you travel at 24 miles per hour, 38 km/h. Electric mode and full charger. And with a 48-volt 12.5Ah battery, the distance would be 28 miles. Load 150 pounds. Dual disc brake and speed control system. This e-bike has a mechanical front and rear disc brake design that puts control and safety at your fingertips. The professional Shimano 7-speed gearbox provides excellent climbing ability and can help you tackle a variety of terrain. Pedelec hybrid bike with front shocks. Ride as hard as you want. Choose from 3 drive modes: full throttle, pedal assist, or pedal only. The front suspension allows you to drive smoothly over rough terrain with maximum traction. Cycle monitor in front and rear light. The monitor displays the actual speed, travel distance, power level, battery voltage, etc., and the front and rear light can provide much more safety at night. This product regular price $479 to $960 but now offer price $9,999 to $1,999. Shengmilo Electric Snow Bike. Brand name, Shengmilo. Electric Bicycle MX-02S suitable for various roads. Show the advantages of fat tires driving on snow road. M5 Smart Meter, HD LCD display meter, Acoustic power display, writing mileage. MX-02S configuration table. Color, black blue. Battery capacity 17 Ah. Charging time, 7 to 8 hours. Range of mileage, pure electric 60 kilometers. Motor power, Shengmilo Plus 48 V1000W. Speed shift, 21 speed. Tire specifications, 26 and 4.0. Frame material, aluminum body. C-tube material, height adjustable range aluminum alloy, 80 to 115 centimeters. Suitable for the crowd 168C and 200cm adult. Front fork material, aluminum alloy. Maximum load capacity, 180 kilograms. Front fork damping type, spring shock absorption. Brake system, hydraulic brake system. This product regular price $1897 but now offer price $1518. Alfina Folding Electric Mountain Bike. Brand name, MX Alfina. Model number, FX01. Has a 26-inch 4.0-inch white fat tire. Snow, sand beach, urban roads are free from obstruction. This is a 1000-watt electric bicycle with powerful power. Built-in battery, waterproof, and anti-theft design, 48-volt 12.8 Ah capacity, can drive about 40 km in pure electric state. Drive 80 km in assist mode. Long battery life. Upgrade large screen intelligent control module, higher performance electric mountain bike. Motor 1000-watt super brushless motors. Battery, 48-volt 128 torque, 95 Nm. Speed, 0 to 50 km. Brakes, upgraded dual hydraulic oil brakes front and rear. Pure electric mileage, 40 km. Power mileage, about 80 km. Maximum load, 200 kilograms. Headlight, LED headlight. Car bell, electronic bell. Screen, LCD intelligent control assist. Gear position, 5-gear speed control. Suitable for the crowd, 165 to 200 centimeters. This product regular price $1992 to $3,077 but now offer price $976 to $1,507.